Napadasal na ng todo si kabayan Dylan Harper. Sinabayan din siya ng mga madre ng San Antonio Spurs. Nag-alas Stephen Curry naman dito sa Wemby. Napa-take over mode sa opensa ng San Antonio Spurs. Ayaw niya mapauwi sa Boracay. Igil sila ditong makabawi sa OKC. So heto na, Game 6 na ng San Antonio Spurs versus Oklahoma City Thunder. Do or die para dito kay Victor Wembanyama. Magawa ang kaya nila ditong makabawi sa kanilang home court o tuloy na kaya sila ditong tapusin nila ni Shai Gilgeous-Alexander dahil nagbabalak sa lineup sa kanila si J-Dub. Start ng first quarter, sinimula ni Champagne ng 3-pointer. Galing naman kay Hatterstein, unang basket ng OKC.
Wembanyama gonna look from deep. And it's after Fox. He had space. Wemby was away.
This young team had last game.
Wembanyama. Hartenstein rolls. Lou Dort from the corner.
Open shot would be.
Castle. Where's he made all 4 field goals. Hartenstein was shot. Wembanyama says, I don't need anything here. Holmgren's waiting. Wemby's turning.
He responds to the big moments, and they hope they can do it again.
Scott Mark Daigneault's counting on him. Lose Alexander, toe on the tape. It's a tip. Vassell lost a block for Wemby. Thunder wanted to call on that. Vassell off the bench as McCain has started. Vassell goes quick hand, knocked it away. Johnson. Caruso. Nobody stopped the ball. Vassell's playing a quarter. Harper lines it up.
Ang San Antonio Spurs, unang tumawag naman dito ng timeout ang OKC. Napadasal na lang si Dylan Harper.
So much clutching and grabbing inside Harper. Jam turned away. Keldon Johnson goes strong inside. Alexander trying to turn. Of course, they were invited back for 6. Wembanyama. I mean, look at the separation.
Natapos ang first quarter, labang ng 13 points ang San Antonio Spurs, 35-22. Leading scoring si Victor Wembanyama with 11 points.
In 3-minute burst.
Wembanyama
Just couldn't do it. And look at the spin move and left.
There's 4 bodies around the rim. McCain looking to heat up. Shot almost lined up. Holmgren inside. Harper. And second straight game for the start. 5. Caruso closing in.
He's ready for the big time moment to run. That's the champions do.
Mason Wallace. The screens at the top. Six. Harper goes to Wembanyama. Works his way. Throws his look to the other Jalen Williams. Allen finds Bryant out of the corner.
To be able to jump like that when I was up on the 8 feet dunk.
Carefully, Herb. You calm down. That yap and Evans. SGA. Shot fake. Caruso. Late defense and intensity. Bryant stays in front of SGA. Step back.
All about the MVP.
Wembanyama for another 3. They're making a 5-point game. Wallace down at the basket. Trying to scoop. Didn't get it. And the long
Natapos ang first half, lamang ang San Antonio Spurs 62-53. Leading scoring si Victor Wembanyama with 22 points. Samantalang nakapagtala naman dito ng 10 points si SGA.